Understanding the golden role in life. Hello friends, this is Yundel. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us that when life is overwhelming and it seems like the whole world is against you, cling to Jesus. Don't worry about what people are saying about you or what others are doing. Just concentrate on how you are living your life and let your action reflect on Jesus. God give specific instruction on how to live a godly life, and it is known as a godly golden role in life. It is very important that we can understand the golden role of life because this is our guidance in our day-to-day life. This is our guidance to survive this difficult, frustrating life. Life is not meant to be easy. We all have to face different kinds of trials, challenges. Therefore, it is very important that we understand the golden role of life. You can find it in the book of Matthew 7:12. Therefore, whatever you want men to do to you, do also to them. For this is the law and the prophets. When people are mean, be kind. When friends are hurting you, forgive them. Be honest even when others have cheated you. Choose to be happy even on a bad day. Do your best even if others criticize you. When you keep Jesus in your heart, you will reflect His light to all those around you, even on your worst day. It's good to follow Galatians 16. So then, as we have opportunity, let us do good to everyone. Let us do good to one another. You'll not only be doing the right thing, but you'll also become a happier human being. The best of all, others will see you in Jesus. They will see Jesus in you because of your own behavior and actions. This is just really a share and reminder to each and every one of us, and I am sharing with you some thoughts and the verses of Luke 6:31. And as you would that men should do to you, do ye also to them likewise. Matthew 5:7. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. Philippians 2:4. Look not every man on his own things, but every man also on the things of others. Matthew 6:22. The eye is the lamp of the body. So if your eyes is healthy, your whole body will be full of light. This is written in the scripture as a guidance in our day-to-day life. This is the best tool I am using in my day-to-day life to live my peaceful life. This is not about religion. This is about understanding and living in a spiritual lifestyle. We all have struggles to face, but as we understand the golden rule of life, it will really help you to move forward, to do the right actions, to act accordingly, according to what you feel and what you believe. Therefore, I am sharing this with you. Read the scripture in Matthew 7:12, understanding the golden rule in life. This can help you to be mindful enough every day to do the right thing, what is best for you, for your family, and friends. Understand and accept that we all need guidance. And this thing is a great guidance in our day-to-day life. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for stopping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. Your time here stopping by is deeply appreciated. I love you all and bye-bye.